In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit pages on WordPress.com. This simple WordPress tutorial is perfect for beginners who are just starting their journey into the world of website building. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the skills to manage your WordPress.com pages like a pro. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to the WordPress.com dashboard. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once there, log in with your credentials. This will take you directly to your dashboard, which serves as the control center for your entire WordPress site. From the dashboard, you can access all the settings and tools needed to manage your content. Now look for the Pages section on the left-hand menu. Click on this, and it will display a list of all the pages you currently have on your website. This is your starting point for creating and editing pages. It's important to remember that while posts are more about frequent updates like blog entries, pages are static and are useful for creating content like your homepage, contact page, and About Us sections. To add a new page, move your cursor and select the option that says Add Page. This will bring you to a blank page template where you can start building your new page right away. You'll find the WordPress block editor here, which is an intuitive tool designed to make the process of designing a page simple and engaging even if you have no prior web design skills. Next, you'll want to click on Block Insert. The block editor allows you to add different types of content blocks to your page, such as text, images, videos, and even widgets. Go ahead, explore the different kinds of blocks available, and choose the ones you want to include on your new page. Using blocks can really enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your page, making it more engaging for your visitors. You'll also see there are options like patterns and media, giving you even more creative flexibility. Patterns are pre-designed groups of blocks that you can insert with a single click, offering you a hassle-free way to structure your page, while the media option is essential for managing images and videos. Feel free to experiment with these settings until your page looks just the way you want. Finally, when you're satisfied with the layout and content of your new page, it's time to make it live by clicking on the Publish button. This will make the page accessible to your site visitors, so be sure all your content is polished and ready to be shared with the world. And there you have it. You've successfully created and edited a page on WordPress.com. With practice and exploration, you'll discover even more features and techniques to enhance your WordPress site. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.